I see the molecule. Right now she's in a water phase, and she's right now in an ice cube case. She's going to be put into a fridge. As heat energy was taken away, she began to freeze. The molecular distance between her and her friends became smaller, and she wasn't able to move around. She was only able to vibrate and collide with her own nearest neighbors. At about the time the ice cubes had all frozen, the fridge door opened. Icy was taken away to cool down a cup of water. Because of the heat from the water, Icy eventually started to melt. The leftover water, after somebody drank it, was poured into the sink. Icy went down through the pipes and had a long trip until she was able to come back through the water tap again. When she finally came out of the tap and her trip had finished, she was poured into a pot. The pot was placed on a stove, and due to the heat energy from the stove, the water started to boil. The molecules in the water gained energy. They started to vibrate more and more until the force holding them together finally broke. Some of the molecules started to evaporate. The vaporized molecules started to moving around more freely, and then when it met the cold surface of the pot, it went through condensation and became a drop of water. When the lid of the pot was opened, steam came out. Icy was still coming out of it. She was able to move around the house freely. Now she is still looking for somewhere to have another trip.